On today's menu, a recipe that's not only delicious but fun to make. Tofu Chow Fun. Lei Ho Ma, I'm Yeung from YoungMenCooking.com. Welcome to the channel where you can cook with confidence. This amazing, super delicious, super easy noodle stir fry is incredible. This is how you make it. Bring a pot of water to boil for the noodles. Pat dry about a quarter pound of extra firm tofu and slice into strips. Coarsely slice half an onion. Quarter about half a cup of mushrooms. Chop one stick of green onion into bite-sized pieces. Right, so traditionally, Chow Fun is actually made with this sort of wide rice noodle that you can get at an Asian supermarket. But just for today, we're going to use this thick rice noodle that I found at my local big box supermarket. Now, I suppose the direct translation, Chow Fun, is actually Cantonese, and I suppose it means stir-fry pasta. So just use the thickest rice noodles that you can find. Cook the noodles for half the time of package instructions, in this case, 4 minutes. Strain out the noodles and set aside. Non-stick pan. Medium heat. Drizzle of olive oil. Sear the tofu for about a minute on each side. Season the tofu with salt and pepper. Half tablespoon potato starch. Quarter cup water. Stir to dissolve. 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. Generous tablespoon hoisin sauce. Stir. Set the tofu aside and bring the pan back on to medium heat. We're going to use this amazing chili oil I made in a previous episode, and I'll leave a link in the description box below to show you how easy it is to make this step by step at home. This is absolutely amazing. 2 tablespoons chili oil. Saute the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. Mushrooms and green onion. Noodles, sauce, saute for about a minute. Half a cup bean sprouts, saute for another minute. Tofu, give it a good stir and you're done. Plate. You can now make this delightful noodle dish with absolute confidence. Oh man, I cannot wait until I start digging into this. Those noodles just really soak up all of that flavor, all of that sauce, and my gosh, that is just so flavorful. Absolutely packed with flavor. It's just such a comforting dish, and it's so easy to put together. Got the amazing mushrooms that soaks up the flavor, the tofu, the bean sprouts that add a little bit of a fresh kind of crunch to it. But man, those noodles are really something else. Just soaks up all of that incredible sauce. That's really, really phenomenal. So simple and yet so special. Amazing. But speaking of special, be sure to check out that amazing new plant-based sushi making masterclass that I've put together just for you, and you can watch the entire first class in the link in the description box below. This is a 5-class series where I'll show you how to make incredible, delicious, and stunning sushi right at home. And if you're new here, welcome, I'm glad you're here. And that same link, you can download your free ebook that has 5 super easy, unintimidating plant-based recipes to help you get started with cooking today. As always, remember to subscribe, hit that notification bell, so I'll see you in the next episode.